Here's a simple question for you. Consider a class called alpha and a method called display that belongs to alpha. Notice how this class does not have any access modifiers, including the method. Do you know what the access modifier is? If you thought the access modifier is private, well, you're partially correct. It is actually something called package private. What that means is this class alpha is private to this package. And that means you cannot access alpha from outside this package. So let's take a look at the example. Let's say we have a class called gamma, which is also in the same package as the class alpha. Now, if I have a main method and create an alpha object and call the display method, it all works fine. Suppose I have another class called beta, but it belongs to a different package, B. Well, now in the main method, if I try to create an instance of alpha, it will cause a compilation error. The reason being, it cannot find alpha because alpha is not in this current package. It's in a different package. And it's package private. So therefore it suggests us to make it public. So how is this different from explicitly making the class or method private? Well, explicitly using the private keyword will make the class or method totally private, even within the same package. So only the members within the class can access them. Well, there you go. If you didn't know, now you know. If you like more content like this, and maybe more advanced topics, follow me and leave a comment down below. Thank you.